Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we are starting with question number 3. Some parts I'm doing for you, remaining you'll be doing it yourself. The question is given in the mixed fraction. So let us convert it into improper fraction first. So this process of converting mixed into improper, now you know that. So I'm converting it straight away. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 gives you 29 by 9. Plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3 plus 12 to the 24 plus 7 will give you 31 by 12. Okay, now you have three numbers in the denominator, 9 3 and 12. You need to take the LCM of the same, 9 3 and 12. All are going by 3, divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So your LCM will come 3 into 3 into 4. It comes out 36. You do it by your own method, whatever method you will find suitable for taking out the LCM. But just make sure your LCM is right. So 36 is the LCM. You need to divide your LCM by denominator. So on dividing 36 by 9, you will get 4. Now whatever answer you will get, you need to multiply it with the numerator. Okay, so 29 into 4 plus. When you will divide by 3, you will get 12. So 12 into 7. When you will divide by 12, you will get 3. So 3 into 31. Okay. Now solve it. 4 9s are 36 and 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. 116. 12 7s are 84 and 3 into 31 is 93 divided by 36. Add it yourself and then divide it by 36. Write it in the mixed fraction. Whatever answer will come, that will be your final answer. Okay. So make sure you'll find this answer yourself. You just need to add and divide. Coming to the next part. First convert it into improper fraction. 1 into 14 plus 13. So we'll get 14 plus 13, 27 divided by 14 minus 2 into 6, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6, denominator as it is. 1 into 7, 7 plus 6, 13 by 7. Now I'm taking my positive terms on first, 27 by 14 plus 13 by 7 and minus term at the last. Take the LCM. 14 7 and 6, 14 7 and 6, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 and 6. 2 से जा रहे हैं दोनों numbers, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So your LCM comes out 42. Find out, write the LCM. Divided by 14, you will get 3. So 3 into 27 plus 7 6 are, so 6 into 13 minus 6 7s are 42, so 7 into 17. Further solve it. 3 into 27, 3 7s are 21. I'm doing it here in a small box. 3 7s are 21 plus 3 2s are 6 and 7 8, 81 plus 13 into 6, you will get 78 minus 7 into 17, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 8 9 10 11. So you'll get 119 divided by 42. So on adding 81 and 78, I'll get 9 and 8 9 10 15. 159 minus 119 divided by 42. So on subtraction, I will get 40 by 42 and hence my answer. Okay. Let us solve this. 3. Nothing is there below 3, so I'll write 3 by 1 minus. convert into improper. 1 into 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 6 minus 7 by 15. Okay, when you will take the LCM, your LCM comes out 30. You have to show where you have taken out the LCM. When you will divide by 1, you will get your answer 30. So 30 will be multiplied with 3. 30 into 3 is 90. Minus, divide by 6, you will get 5. Now 5 will be multiplied with 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. Minus, divided by 15, you will get 2 as your answer. Now 2 will be multiplied with 7, which gives you 14. Okay, now don't think because these are the questions of integers, these are the questions of fractions, so we are not going to apply integers. Integers is applicable in each and every chapter. So first, now see here, don't forget the signs. Some of you are going to subtract 35 minus 14. You will put minus sign here and you will subtract 35 minus 14. But no, before 35 also minus sign is there. Do not exclude this. So minus minus gives you, minus minus is plus because the signs are same. So it gives you plus. So 35 plus 14 gives you 9 and 4, 49. Sign of the greater number, so it will come of minus divided by 30. This will gives you 41 by 30 and final answer. Okay, so we have done second, fourth and sixth part. One more we are going to do, that is question fourth part. Hold on. Okay, 4 parts I have done for you. So multiply 1 into 25, 25 plus 3, 28 by 25 plus 7 by 20 minus 2 by 5. Take the LCM. When you will take the LCM, your LCM will be 100. Okay, so divide by 25, you will get 4. So 4 into 28 plus divide by 20, you will get 5. So 5 into 7. Divide by 5, you will get 20. So 20 into 2. Okay, now I hope you are able to do the further calculations yourself because it is same as we have done it in the earlier questions. Okay, so try it yourself. Another 2 parts which I have left of the question is your homework, so do it yourself. Moving to the question number 4. What number should be added to 5 by 12 to get 2 3 by 8? Okay, first let us understand it by the simple numbers. If I'll say what number should be added to 3 to get 5, what I'm asking is कि 3 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि 5 आ जाए. ठीक है, तो you'll straight away say कि मैम 2. तो ये 2 कहाँ से आया? We have subtracted 5 minus 3. Actually the question says what should be added, but in reality we are doing the subtraction. And how we are subtracting? To get. That means जो final हमें आंसर चाहिए उसमें से हम अपना earlier वाला number subtract कर रहे हैं. Right? So here to get is 2 3 by 8. That means 2 3 by 8 में से हमें क्या subtract करना है? The number which is given before, that is 5 by 12. Now the question becomes easy. Now multiply this. 2 8 is 16 plus 3 will give you 19 by 8 minus 5 by 12. On taking the LCM, we will getting LCM as 24. So 8 3s are 24, gives you 3 into 19 minus 12 2s are 24, which will give you 2 into 5. Further solve it. 3 into 19 gives you 57 minus 10 by 24, which further gives you 57 minus 10 is 47 by 24. Convert it into mixed fraction and that will be your final answer. Okay. Moving to the second part of the same question. What number should be subtracted from 5 to get 1 5 by 13? Here also you will say कि मैम to get ये है, final answer ये है, तो हम इसमें से subtract करेंगे. No. But as you can see the from word is there और from के बाद आपका क्या number है? 5, तो हमेशा फ्रॉम वाला डिजिट पहले आता है. डू रिमेंबर दिस. सो 5 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे अब. 5 माइनस 1, 5 बाय 13. ओके, नाउ सॉल्व इट. 5 बाय 1 minus 1 into 13, 13 plus 5, 18 by 13. Now solve it. We'll take the LCM. LCM 13 आएगा. When you will divide by 1, you will get 13 only. So 13 into 5 will give you 65 minus 13 ones are 13. So when you will multiply by 1, 1 into 18 gives you 18. Okay, so this will give you 47 by 13. Okay, this is your answer. So when you will convert it into mixed fraction, you will get 13 3s are 39. Now what remainder is left? 8. 3, 8 by 13. Hence your final answer. Hope I am clear with all the questions which we have done today. If you have any query, please feel free to ask. So your today's work is, you have to start with question number 3. You have to do all the 6 parts, and 4th question, both the parts I have done for you. So just copy it from here. Thank you.